Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your February love and work forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Details in the description of the video. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends. So, woohoo. I'm super excited. Can you believe it? We are in February, friends. Oh my god. Finally, the dreaded 2020. Ooh, it's gone, and 1 month also ahead. Let's see, Scorpios. Let's see what's coming in February for you. Have you seen your February love and romance pick a card and the charms reading? February charms reading. Make sure to subscribe and watch it, friends, and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Let's see, friends. Ooh, lots of cards came out. So, theme of the month for you. Let's see, Scorpios. Six of Swords, you are moving out of something difficult. You are moving towards solutions, towards, uh, you are moving towards happiness and peace. I feel end of confusions. There were some confusions in January. Even right now, I feel Scorpios, you are confused. So, February will bring you some choices, some decisions, but any choice or any decision you make in February, it will take you towards peace, Scorpios. It will take you towards happiness. It will take you towards joy. You are moving forward. So, congratulations. And Nine of Cups. Look at that. Happiness is coming for you. Wishes are going to come true for you, Scorpios. Something will happen which will make you feel very happy. And I do see something you're working hard on. You're working very, you're working on something, a dream, a goal, a wish. It's gonna come true. And you're gonna feel, happy. Congratulations, Scorpio. And look at that. An Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important to you. News, information, messages, communications, all sorts of people and friendships are important for you, Scorpio. So get ready. This is also a very friendship and people related month for you. I feel this month will be very quick for you. So, get ready. Very quick. This month will be very fast. Things will, you are on a happy ride. Life is going smooth for you in February. And I do feel you may feel a little bit defensive and bold, Scorpios, like you are a bit defensive or a little bold, but you will get away with this time. Even if you are a little rude in February, no one will mind it because everyone is like, okay, they love you, they won't mind it. Four of Wands, marriage, commitment. Look at that, a twin flame commitment. A marriage, a union, a partnership, all sorts of partnerships are important. You may be confused about. In February, I see that you are confused about staying single or getting married. In February, I also see you might need some help in making a decision from some important friend or connection. I think you are making an important life changing decision in February to marry someone or not to, or to date someone or not to, or to take that job or not to, and someone might help you or guide you, or you might find some solutions through online. So get ready. Lots happening, Scorpios. Let's see your love life, Scorpios. Then we're gonna look at your work life. Scorpios, what happened in the past for Scorpios in their love life? Let's see. Ooh, Knight of Wands, excitement, a lot of passion. You could be dealing with someone Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. In the past, I feel your love life was going very quickly and very, very passionately, but you were also very busy, or your person was very busy. Managing you and the work, and you were also managing you, the work, the relationship, everything was very busy. I also feel, Scorpios, you were a little confused about this person. They kept going in and out of your life in the past. This Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Yeah, Eight of Swords. You felt like this person was not, you felt confused about this relationship or this person. There was a lot of passion in this connection, but you felt like, this person dominates you. Scorpios, they try to dominate you, and they keep doing that. They keep coming in and out of your life, and you just don't have any control there. Also, maybe some situation, some decisions were stuck in this connection because it was a long distance connection, or your person was not saying yes to marry you, or some problems were there, restrictions, blocks were there about some decisions in the past. Maybe like they were working in some another city and you were in some another city. They wanted to be with you, but you can't because of work. Also, like you want to marry them, they were not committing to you. So something was restricting. Four of Swords, yeah, you were in no contact. This relationship was suddenly from passionate, this person was becoming cold. You just don't know what this person does to you. Sometimes they are passionate, sometimes they are cold towards you. So you were like, what is this person up to in the past? This is a hot and cold relationship in the past. Let's see what's happening currently in your relationship, Scorpios. So I think you were taking some time away from this person, or they were taking some time away from you in the past. They were like, nah, I need some time, I'm not sure, I'm blocked, I'm stuck, I need some time. Currently, you are looking for a breakthrough. Scorpios, a breakthrough is coming, a start of a communication, a message, a call. This person want to call you, a breakthrough, a idea that will change this connection, improve it. Karma, yeah, justice will happen in this connection. If they were cheating on you, they will get it back. I think, let's say this balance is coming in this connection, because that's how I feel it. Like you are destined, your destiny will show you what you need to do in the future. What is the future of this connection? For some of you, it is marriage, Four of Wands. For others, if this person was not ready to marry or commit to you, you might see some changes there. In the future, talks will open up. Hanged Man, you need to see things in a different way from right now. You both need a change of perspective in this connection right now, or in your life right now, because this is not a test. This is like not destiny teaching you or trying to test you. This is like your person needs to balance themselves, Scorpio. This connection needs to be balanced, and a breakthrough needs to happen so that they can step out of this, Eight of Swords energy, this fear energy, this I can't do this energy. Your person needs to be broken free, and it will happen. It will happen. Just give it some time. You may feel desperate, you feel confused whether to stay in this connection. This is the energy, look at that, confusion. You feel confused. Should you stay? Should you go? You feel stuck. But I feel, friends, Scorpios, some messages, some breakthroughs are coming. Clarity will shine through in this connection. So don't worry, don't lose hope in this situation. Clarity, breakthroughs are coming for Scorpios. You can manifest also what you want in this connection or in the future of your life. So get ready, get to work, Scorpios. You are extremely powerful. You can manifest, and no wonder your wishes will come true, whatever you manifest. And the passions are very high in this connection. So yeah, Scorpios, let's see what will happen in the future for you. See, Five of Cups. Yeah, your person is missing you in February. They are missing you a lot. They will come back. And Scorpios, they are crying for you. They are missing you. You both are missing each other. There is a lot of missing, a lot of reunion, a lot of connection. The energy of February is to work with each other, to, they will write you long letters trying to explain why they left you, or why they were stuck, why they were not able to commit to you. And you both will try to explain your situations to each other. Long messages, long nights, long weeks of love and passions, and, just building this relationship are coming, and taking it forward. Taking this relationship and commitment forward, looking to the future with hope is coming towards you, rising out of this past disappointment, Scorpios. Congratulations, this is a great energy for you in February. So yeah, well done. And your person is also, you know, oh my god, I just don't like it. Oh, see this, look at this. These cards won't stop until they come out. See, the Queen of Swords and the Three of Swords. This person, I'm sorry for the abruptly the way they've just fell out. Look at that. The swords are high. You know, this person is like, they keep you at an arm's distance, Scorpio. And they have hurted you in the past, or you both have hurted each other in the past, but in February things are going to work out. You know, your person is thinking about you, and you both are thinking about each other. So some reunion, some happy friendships, you know, talks opening, and you know, happy tears, happy, you know, happiness coming back into your life, Scorpio. So get ready, but it will be through this, you know, through this, you will have to discuss this heartache, this Three of Swords, what happened, why, and you will have to clear it also. Let's see who is coming towards you, Scorpios, in February. Let's see that. Ooh, 10 of Cups. Wow. Someone who has a family potential, or someone you want to marry, or someone who wants to marry you. It could also be a marriage proposal coming towards you from your family side, or it could be that someone who is married, or you once talked of marriage with them, or thought of marriage, or you thought of, like, you know, this person is like your ultimate home. That person is coming towards you. The Emperor, someone very powerful, someone who is a leader, someone who is ambitious, and someone who is the in charge of their life, or in control. And they are very, I told you, they are very dominating. They do what they want, and you just never liked it. They just come and go at their own, you know, wish, and that's what made things worse here. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, but they are coming. They are coming towards you. They are looking at you for the future, for marriage. Wheel of Fortune, someone very lucky, someone very fortunate, someone very prosperous, someone who is blessed, someone who is blessed with money, and someone who is fated for you is coming towards you. Scorpios, get ready. This is, ooh, this is like rainbows are shining for you. So get ready. So let's see what will be the block in your life in February. Oh my God, conflict. Tower movements. Oh my God, some sort of a tower movement, or unexpected problems may arise which you were not expecting. Some decisions, some choices may come, or some very quickly things will happen in February. It will be a block. Also some past, you know, past heartache, past angers, you know, past Three of Swords, whatever happened in the past, it might come back, and you will have to work on it. In this month, Scorpios, you will have to resolve it, or sit and talk with your lover. Also, some sort of arguments may happen this month, because your person is a bit dominating, and you are also a bit in that energy. But I think you will be able to resolve it. Nothing big, you know, the transformation. Yeah, big changes are coming. Big changes. Get ready, Scorpios. Very big changes, but they will actually lead you towards a union, towards marriage. Four of Wands. So all these blocks are actually taking you towards marriage, towards commitment, or towards meeting someone who is your perfect soulmate. Oh my God, your cards. Oh my God, what's up with this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person in your life? Scorpios, this person is constantly, look at them, they are back again. So who is the blessing? This person is your blessing. So I feel you might be dealing with two people. Scorpios, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. So this is a blessing. This person will help you out in this month. So maybe a friend, maybe a family member, or maybe, you know, someone will help you out, or some messages from the universe will help you out. So social online media, maybe you will watch some tarot readings or something. My channel, Magic Wins Tarot, it will help you, you know, because I'm also an Aquarius. Look at that. Oh my God, that's getting too personal here, isn't it? And the Six of Wands. So the blessings coming for you in February are success. Yes, you're gonna be on the road to success after all these changes, after all these, coming out of the past and indecisions and confusions. You're gonna smile because life's gonna smile on you. Love is gonna shower on you, and yes, friends are going to help you. Good friends are going to help you, and yes, you are going to find value. Your person is going to value you, Scorpio. You are going to value them, so get ready. There is a lot of mutual respect and love and marriage and talks of commitment coming for you. Congratulations, Scorpio. Let's see your advice and work and career then. Whew, Scorpios, that was an intense reading. Okay, some advice for Scorpios. Oh, just breathe. Yeah, of course. I had to take a breathe after your reading. So, yeah, relax, enjoy your life. You've got a busy month ahead. So, don't forget to rest and trust. Yeah, some things are beyond your control in February, but you have to trust. Whatever is happening for the best things, whatever is happening is the right thing for you. So, don't worry. Believe and succeed. Six of Swords. Here also the same card. So yeah, you will be successful. Don't worry. Just trust and keep going on. So let's see some advice for your work and career. Let's see that. How Scorpio's work and career will be in February. Ooh, base chakra, same card for Cancers also came out. So you're very, very choose your battles. Yeah, you are very ambitious, you are very bold. You are also in this, I'm gonna fight for my right, I'm going to stand up for my right in my work, in my studies. I'm gonna be the best. I deserve the best. No, I'm the best, no one can stop me. But there will be some ego issues, so you have to watch out for that. You know, when I think you are doing great in your work and career and studies in February, Scorpios, but that might rub someone's ego. Some ego issues may happen at your work or with your colleagues or with a boss or maybe with friends or family members. Some time issues, like you want to study but they want to, they want you to go party with them, your family, friends. So you will have to stand up for yourself. And I told you, even if you are a bit rude, you can get away with it because everybody loves you, Scorpios. But I see in work and career, I would not suggest you to be too extra rude because other people's egos are also a bit high. Wow, sacral chakra, you are very creative this month, Scorpios. Your creativity will be very high, especially in your work and career. So you should listen to your creative ideas. And also, I see that in February, you might be starting your creative hobby or working on some creative ideas, writing, journaling, painting, acting, dancing. It would be great. And look at that, 1 and 2. So definitely you are moving ahead, Scorpio. So great energies. Let's see what else. And for Scorpios, how this month will be, February. Okay. Lots of cards came out. Let's see. Okay. So, all good advice from a wise person. Yeah, you may advise somebody or someone may ask for your wise advice. So, get ready for that, Scorpios. And pineapple, a reconciliation, a very passionate reconciliation or a reunion is coming. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. So, positive changes are coming for you. February, oh my God, February reading, and February is important for you. So, yeah. Happiness is coming your way in February. Wine, seek out information that will help you. Yeah, I do feel since your sacral chakra card is here, you have a lot of creative ideas and insights in February, so you can work on that. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Man, dealings or relationships with a man. A man is important. Scale, keep your life in balance. This is beautiful. Stay balanced. I do feel there may be some ego issues, but if you stay balanced, nothing can affect you. See, Nine of Cups, it is your happy time. Ladder, climbing towards success. Success is coming. A younger woman could be important for you, and stuff. You will be taken care of in difficult times, and the key successful outcomes to your problem. Yeah, you're going to find solutions which are missing right now for you, and you're going to come out of problems, Scorpio. So and you're going to feel very happy about it. An older man, maybe a boss or a parent or someone older, is important for you. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. This is Mystic C saying bye.